Good morning, children. Welcome back to English class. In previous class, we have completed till here, children. Hope you all completed this one. Okay? The instructions that you got from your teacher. Okay? Now, today we will see the summary part, children. See here, subject, the person. What is the subject? The person, place or thing that is spoken about in a sentence is the subject of the సెంటెన్స్ ఇజంట్ ఇట్ ఇన్ దట్ సెంటెన్స్ మనం దేనికి ఎక్కువ ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఇస్తున్నామో దేనికోసం మాట్లాడుతున్నామో ఈజ్ ఇట్ మేబీ ఏ పర్సన్ ఆర్ ఏ ప్లేస్ ఆర్ ఏ థింగ్ ఓకే అబౌట్ దట్ ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ టాకింగ్ దట్ క్యాన్ బి కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ఏ సబ్జెక్ట్ అండ్ ప్రెడికేట్ మీన్స్ ద ప్రెడికేట్ టెల్స్ సంథింగ్ మోర్ అబౌట్ దిస్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఓకే సబ్జెక్ట్ ఏం చేశారు ఏమైంది ఏంటి అని మోర్గా దానికన్నా ఎక్కువగా సబ్జెక్ట్ కోసం చెప్పేదాన్ని ప్రెడికేట్ అంటాం వాట్ ద సబ్జెక్ట్ డస్ ఆర్ డిస్క్రైబ్స్ ఇట్ ఇన్ సమ్ వే ఓకే సబ్జెక్ట్ ఏం చేశారు లేదంటే సబ్జెక్ట్ ఎలా ఉంది ఏంటి అని దానికోసం డిస్క్రైబ్ ప్రెడికేట్లో చేస్తారు రైట్ 2 sentences సర్కిల్ ద సబ్జెక్ట్ అండ్ అండర్లైన్ ది predicate that means you have to write 2 sentences in that sentence subject should be there and predicate should be there and in that you have to circle the subject and underline the predicate. See children, I am writing one sentence here. See, my brother, brother, brother. Okay, my brother falls, falls, falls. My brother falls sick, sick, sick very, very, very often, often, often. Okay, is it clear to you children? My brother falls sick very often. To whom I am talking about my brother. That means my brother will be what? My brother will be the subject. Okay, you have to circle the subject here. And what is the predicate children? Remaining part falls, it's starting with the verb. Falls sick very often. Okay, now underline the predicate like this. Underline it. Okay, my brother falls sick very often. Next children, next sentence, I like this, no? I draw, DRAW. Okay, I draw pictures, PICTURES, pictures. I draw pictures every Sunday, SUNDAY, Sunday. Okay, I draw pictures every Sunday. Okay, now in this one what is the subject? Yes, I is the subject. And what is the predicate? Remaining part and starting with the verb. Draw pictures every Sunday. Okay, I draw pictures every Sunday. Like this you have to write these 2 sentences children. And next one, complete the activity using subject and predicate. 5E in companion. Open 5E children everyone in companion. Yes, 5E we got. Here, see children, form teams and create your own fable using subjects and predicates. Use this template given in figure A. Write your fable in your notebook. That means, see children, here you are going to write a story. Okay, it is a fable. And what you have to do is, you have to use these templates. Templates means what? It will helps you to what you have to choose and what the points you have to use in a completion of a fable. See children, here Create your own fable. Here choose one animal as your main character. Main character గా ఒక యానిమల్ తీసుకోవాలి, సైడ్ character గా ఇంకొక యానిమల్ తీసుకోవాలి. అలాగే how they are looking you have to describe the animals qualities in a sentence, and where do these, that means these two animals, where they will meet and what they will do together, and what the problem they will face, how do they solve it, వచ్చిన problem ని ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేస్తారు. అలాగే and in finally what is the moral of that fable. These points you have to mention in your fable. First, use this table, children. That means you answer these questions by your own in these columns, and write one fable in your notebook, and don't forget to write the moral of the fable. Okay, and do this one and send to me in WhatsApp. Okay children, this is about today's English class. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.